Hi there, my name's Paul. Thank you very much for joining me. Behind me today I've got the L1H1 Peugeot Expert panel van in Nimbus Grey. Going to take you on a quick walk around, show you some of the features that this fantastic van's got to offer that can be a benefit to you and to your business. So let's have a look around. Okay, so as I've said, this is the Peugeot Expert L1H1 panel van. Now, as with any new or pre-registered vehicle, you've got your manufacturer's warranty that starts on the date of the vehicle's first registration. On top of that, we've applied a triple layer Guardex treatment. What that does, it helps to give you some protection against any negative effects of UV from sunlight, acidity and rainwater, anything at all that's going to cause premature aging, dimming or deterioration to the lovely finish on this van. As you can see, looking at the van, you've got the premium paint there, you've got the Nimbus Grey paint colour, absolutely fantastic colour there. Now, we've also applied our own body kit to this vehicle, so as we're walking around, you'll notice that you've got the colour-coded bumpers, colour-coded trims on there as well. You've got those lovely multi-spoke alloy wheels with this vehicle. You've got the fin on the back doors there, that gives a really, really nice finish to the back of the vehicle. Just coming down the near side, you see you've got the side bars as well and the roof bars. Now, while we're on the near side, going to point out diesel fillers just there above the near side rear wheel arch. And opening the passenger door, just behind that in the bottom corner is where your AdBlue filler port is. I'm sure you've noticed as well with this vehicle, as with the Peugeots, other Peugeots, you've got twin sliding doors, so very, very easy access on both sides of the vehicle. So let's have a look inside. Okay, so just looking in through the sliding door on the near side of the vehicle, so as you can see, lots and lots of nice, easy, accessible storage there for you. In terms of access on the side doors, you've got 122 centimetres of height by 98 centimetres across, measured at the smallest point. Now, looking in at the lower corner of the bulkhead there, you've got that flap which pulls down. In addition to the general storage space here, that's going to give you another 45 centimetres underneath your passenger seats. If you do need anything further than that, I'm just going to come to the front, pull on the tag just to the side there of the passenger seat. That's going to give you an additional 55 centimetres, so a total of 1 metre extra going through into the front compartment of the vehicle. Just getting that seat back down now. Lifting up that flap. So coming around now to the back of the vehicle and looking in through those lovely large barn style doors. Massive opening on here for you. You've got 127 centimetres across the width by 122 centimetres of height on that aperture. In terms of physical storage in the back of the van, you've got 125 centimetres of width. Then you've got 130 centimetres from the floor to the bottom of the ribs on the ceiling, and then from the bulkhead there all the way along the floor to the back, and you've got 243 centimetres of decent usable storage space. So loads and loads of space and options in there. You've also got a series of tie-down points. If you need anything tied down for stability or safety, it's very, very easy for you to do so. As you can see, you do get the spare wheel with this vehicle, just kept in there for security whilst on site at point of sale. That will be harnessed underneath. Lastly, just looking at your doors, as you can see, they open out nicely to 90 degrees, but for any reason at all, let's say someone's parked close behind, you need a little bit more access, just going to pull those yellow tags. That's going to allow those doors to open out to 180 degrees, giving us the maximum amount of access into the back there. So loads and loads going on there for you. Let's jump around to the front and have a look in the cab. Okay, so moving in on the driver's side, on the off side of the vehicle, lots and lots of storage options in the doors, as you can see. Electronically controlled windows and central locking as well. 3 headrests, as you can see, all adjustable there, so maximum convenience for everyone in the vehicle. You've got the pull-down picnic table, very nice as well if you need that for any invoicing, billing or journal entries, as well as if you're just stopping for your lunch break. Some more storage underneath the second passenger seat there as well. You've got a pull-down armrest for the driver's convenience. And underneath that, you've got an additional wheel that is your lumbar support for the driver's seat. Really, really nice and useful and comfortable there. You've got the adjuster there for the backrest adjustment of the driver's seat, as well as having a height adjuster as well. So lots and lots of functions there in terms of conveniences. In terms of more conveniences, you've got a cup holder at each extreme of the dash, some storage in the middle. Nice large hidden glove box there for you as well. Moving down to the gear stick, you've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. That's going to complement that 1.5 litre blue HDI engine. You've got some storage behind that with a USB input and a 12-volt charging point. Climate controls above there. I'm going to include on there, you've got heated wing mirrors and aircon included as well. For now, let's start the vehicle up. Okay, so clutch down. Now, as you see, the vehicle starts up nice and easy first time. No warning lights on that dash display, which is perfect. Delivery miles only, and it's a really nice, easy to read, crystal clear display. Lots and lots of options for the display if you want to change that to show whatever information you want displayed. And all I'm doing to go through that is the button on the end of the wiper control stalk. Speaking of which, automatic wipers are included with this vehicle. The stalk underneath that on the right side is the remote for the media system. On the left stalks, you've got automatic headlights as well, and then cruise control on the remote on the lower left of the steering wheel. Just moving over now, lastly, to the media system. So lots and lots of driving options in there. Automatic stop start, you've got traction control options, diagnostic pane, so lots and lots in there. In terms of your radio, you've got DAB radio included amongst your normal AM and FM bands as well. Lots and lots of settings to go through. Screen configuration, you can set up profiles as well for each driver. You've got a photo viewer and an SMS reader. And then lastly, if you're using the USB point just below there, you can connect via MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so you can mirror your device onto this system. Really useful if you're using Google Maps, Waze, Apple Maps, anything at all like that. You can also just connect using Bluetooth, use that for hands-free calling and for media streaming. So lots and lots going on there for you. You've also got the emergency SOS call button on the top, so hopefully you would never need to use that, but nice to have that little safety option just in case. Okay. So that is the L1H1 Peugeot Expert in Nimbus Grey. I'm sure you'd agree it's an absolutely fantastic van. Loads and loads of benefits for you and for your business. Now, if there's anything at all we can do to assist with a purchase, or if you wish to discuss one of our fantastic finance deals, please feel free to let me know. It would be a pleasure to help you out in any way we possibly can. Aside from that, if you can hit that 5-star review button for me, that would be greatly appreciated personally on my part. Thank you very much for your time today. Have a lovely day ahead. We look forward to speaking to you very, very soon. Bye now.